I thought I would stop making songs now in winter until the 1st of May. But now I see that I must not give it up, because my inspiration is now more elegant and gay. And because of the joy I have from my most gracious, for I see a worth rising and advancing every day. So I know well and recognize without doubt that my song should be more joyful, simply because it pleases her that her beautiful name be in it.
I beg my lady constantly, who gently wounded my heart without a lance thrust. With a glance from her loving eyes, the day she gave me her love and her grace.
That glance entered so sweetly
into my heart that it comforts and soothes it complete.
And though with her eyes she gave me a courteous wound, she knew how to cure me courteously. So I should acknowledge it and give thanks for it. Let my lady never think that I would turn elsewhere, or that another love could constrain or hold me. And when I look at another lady more, then I have less desire, so that it takes me away.
I beg her for mercy and for instruction, that she have care and remembrance of me.
For if I don't see her, let it not be taken as indifference, for I remain so pensive and full of care, that I keep both heart and eyes fixed on her.
So beautiful and of gracious bearing is she, of whom I sing, that when I take account of her, I see no lady with my half-closed eyes who could be equal to her in beauty.
So I am joyful and have my heart delighted, and more so than if someone gave me blame.
When I consider that such a rich place falls to me, and often I send out very anguished sighs,
because I cannot enjoy her all day long with kisses.
all my thoughts are fixed on love,
So that I have no power to draw them to anything else.
for I was made only to do and say for my lady everything that is good and pleasing. To her I surrender myself, and I gently give her thanks,
With humble heart and with humble bearing,
and I thank her for the joy and the gladness that she gave me so gently, that it neither breaks nor comes undone.
so that I remain happy and joyful. No man can achieve anything worthwhile without love,
If he does not focus on joy and hope,
for the joy of love is so pure and so good,
that compared to it there is no greater happiness.
for through love a man holds himself more gracefully.
And he is worth more, and he strives and tests himself to have good worth and true valor.
If he wishes to write better and equip himself, and lead and give and serve in my place.